Well, now we're in the heart of the operation, Terry. This is quite an impressive machine you've got here.
Thank you. It's taken us a while to get here.
And those incredible forks and knives and things come out of, they start off life as this.
Yes, as birch and aspen veneers peeled off a tree like Christmas wrap. Our patented process is that we laminate 2 layers together.
Sounds like a machine gun behind us here.
It's almost like a machine gun. So this is the punching process where we actually take the laminated veneers and we punch them out in a singleton, and then they get delivered onto a tray so that we can get them into the press. So this is where the cutlery comes through the press and then is molded and formed. And if you notice, it's less than 2 seconds. It actually is a squeeze time. Here, I'll pull one out and you can have a quick see.
So it's got its curve here and a ridge down the handle.
Yes, and as you can see, it's got quite a bit of strength and shape, and it's still quite warm as you touch it.
Yeah.
And
that's very solid.
And as that cools, it'll even become more solid. From here, it will go off into the printing process and then into the finishing process.
Ooh.
We actually have the capacity to print logos, multicolored logos on the product. So we're one of the only products in the world that can do that.
So we've been watching these forks get made, but there's a certain problem with your fork so far, Gary.
It's called a monotine.
Yeah.
So we actually have to turn that into this.
Right.
So in order to do that, we install, this cuts 800 forks at a time. Today it's quite labor intensive. The plan is to automate this as well.
Here she goes, she's going to cut some tines for us.
She's going to show us how it's done.
All right.
So that's a machine we developed locally here and built it locally here. Everything's done, that machine's 100% built here.
So all of this is in development right now. You're sort of adding new machines, adding new processes.
Pieces as we go, on the fly, yes sir.
And you were saying that demand for this product, even just in New York, that's incredible.
We actually have a pretty global demand. We're just moving down into South America. We're picking up some large contracts there. We're starting to pick up contracts all across North America, of course.
It's pretty exciting. Well, thanks so much for showing us around the factory.
Thank you very much for coming. I really appreciate you coming and being here.